Zach with us. First bait. A lot of weed clearing. And he is hooked up. Let's see what he's got. Let's watch. Holy shit. Maybe a tuna. Now straight up and down. Yeah, maybe a tuna here. Woo! Crazy, crazy, crazy. We are doubled up now. Love it. Hopefully some quality fish for the dinner table. We will see. Hang on, we got a tuna here too. I'm coming to get it. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. All right, tuna in the boat here. Woo!
Yes, tuna!
All right, man, this is video. Good job, first bait, first fish is a nice tuna. Good job on that. Woo! A nice tuna right here for Zach. Now we gotta run over here. Tyler's hooked up, pretty sure it's a tuna too. Nice black right here. Man, here we go, hooked up, doubled up. We just got Zach's tuna in. You see it? Definite tuna? Okay. Are you at leader already?
Yeah, I got to the leader.
See, every time I get to you, it's a little further away from me. Double up on tuna! Yes, sir. One more circle. There we go. All right, guys, we got both tunas here. One here, one there. First bait for you as well. Well, second bait, first one we lost. But we'll take a nice tuna. Let me turn these to the sun. All right, what a beauty. Good job on that, man.
Epic day, man.
So Zach has his bottle of Jim Beam with him. He took a swig of it last time, got the tuna. Took another swig, lost that fish. And then he said, hey guys, let me take another swig, maybe I'll get another fish. Literally took a swig, and he's on.
I can put weed work.
Hold up. I am putting you to work. A little closer here. You're doing great. Alright, man, last fish we got was a shark. Huh? Last fish we got was a shark. Quick break off, nice hammer. Tyler's on now, can't tell what it is. Screaming. Reel down, no slack. Okay. Good job on that.
Thanks.
All right, let me